بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدم الفداء أما بعد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربي زدني علما. صدق الله العلي العظيم. Right, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, hope everyone is well. Can everyone hear me loud and clearly?
Yes, Abba.
Yes.
Excellent. Right, I'm going to ask Fadak and then I will ask Sister Mahjabin as you were the first students joining the class. So Fadak, Bismillah, come on the mic. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Good. Bismillah. Now, what we did last lesson is that we started in the last part of the lesson understanding how to make the command. So the command is normally for the second person in front of you when you order them to do something. And we mentioned a few things. What did we mention? Do you remember how to make the command? It's made from the second person, you. And do you remember some of the steps?
You have to take off the
Tars.
the
Step number
tars,
one. Yeah, step number one. Take all of the tars from the beginning, remove them. And then step number two is that we come in a dilemma. What's the dilemma? The second radical after the tar, which is the dha. What's happening to the, what letter harakat does it have?
It has a sukoon.
Exactly. So any letter which has a sukoon, you cannot pronounce it. So therefore, in step number two, you have to bring what? Hamzatul
wasl.
Yeah, Hamzatul wasl. So this is alif which comes, and this alif now you can bring it in the beginning, but in step three, we have to give it harakat. So the harakat of the alif which comes in the beginning, that is dependent upon which radical?
The next letter, so the third one.
The third letter, but is the second radical. Dhad is the first radical. Ra is the second radical. Ba is the third radical. So you look at the second radical. If it has any of the two harakat, what will be the i'rab of the Hamzatul Wasl? Go ahead, tell me that. If it has a kasra
or a fatha, then you give the alif a kasra.
Excellent. That's step three. Step number four. What do we need to do to the last letters for all the verbs?
Give the noon a sukoon.
No, in tadribu, the ba on the last letter is with a dhamma at the moment. So what do? We change it to a
sukoon.
Excellent. Tadribu becomes now
idrib.
Excellent. And then the next one?
You remove the noon
Noon the kasra,
four
and it
of them,
becomes,
but you keep one.
yeah, so let's do this. Yeah, in the dual, the noon gets removed with the kasra. And how about tadribuna?
You leave the noon.
No, in tadribuna, idribu. So what's happening here now?
The
noon is tadribuna. The verb becomes idribu. The noon is removed.
Yeah. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong one.
Okay, yeah. So the noon is removed, and when you in the plural masculine, once the noon is removed, in Arabic language, the word wow means and, correct? In Arabic language, wow means and. So protect the wow, they have brought an alif to protect it. So once you drop the noon, there's an alif which you add it, and you just read it idribu. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, because otherwise, normally when there's wow, you will say wa. But the ba, to protect it, to make it understand that the wow is joining with the ba, with a dhamma, you just add alif and it becomes idribu. How about the next one, tadribina? What happens there?
We put ya instead of no. And
yeah, we just remove the noon.
Yeah.
We just because it's tadribina.
Because there's already a.
Exactly. So tadribina. And the next one?
We just got rid of no.
Yeah, so it's the same as the dual for the masculine. The noon gets removed, correct? So it becomes
اضربا.
excellent. And the final plural for the feminine, this noon remains because this noon is to show that this is plural feminine. And it becomes
اضربنا.
excellent. So go for the first six. Idrib, read them, please.
اضرب. اضربا. اضربوا. اضربي. اضربا. اضربنا.
Excellent. Idrib, idriba, idribu, idribi, idriba, idribna. Excellent. Do you have any questions so far on this?
No.
No? Okay, brilliant. I'm going to ask, thank you. I'm going to ask Sister Mahjabin.
Yes, sir.
Mahjabin, I want you to do the next verb, which is from taftahu, it's becoming iftah. Try to explain to me as if I am your student. So fataha yaftahu means to open, and taftahu means you are opening. So if you're making the command open, which is iftah, explain the steps, please. Step number 1, what do you need to do?
I have to make command, right, Rama?
Yes, yes.
Now the word is
Taftahu.
aftahu.
Yeah, taftahu means
Taftahu.
you are opening, correct?
Tafta taftahu. Ba.
So you are opening. So step number 1 in taftahu, there are how many? There's stars. That all of the 6 verbs.
Yeah, ta
3
we
for the
have to remove.
masculine and the 3 for the feminine. The tars in the beginning have to be removed. Yep.
Yeah.
And once you remove the tars, the first letter of the verb, which is the fa, does it have a harakat or is it silent? It has a sukoon.
Is
Jazm.
there is a sukoon.
Yeah. So you
And
cannot
we
bring
have
a
to
letter.
remove ta.
Yeah. After you remove the ta, you bring alif because the fa is with a sukoon or a jazm. So you bring alif. And once you bring the alif in step 3, how do we know what harakat do we need to give? So we go to the ta. We ask Mr. Ta, what harakat do you have? It says it will have a fatha. If it's a
Fatha.
fatha or a kasra, what harakat the alif will get in the beginning?
Fatha.
Kasra. The alif will get a kasra.
Kasra, okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah, kasra.
yeah. So in the just remember this for everyone. There's one thing I didn't teach you last session. All of these alifs which come in the command for a how many letter verb? 3-letter verb. All of the alifs which come as a command, which come with a command, this alif, it can only take 2 harakat. How many harakat? Only 2.
2 rakat.
Either it takes an alif or either it takes a pesh or dhamma. Those who speak Punjabi or Urdu, they call it pesh, and those who are familiar with Arabic tajweed, we call it a dhamma. It can either take a kasra or a dhamma. It will never take this alif in the beginning will either take a kasra or a dhamma. Okay, no fatas at all. So alif is given a kasra, and in step 4, what will happen to the ha itself in the command? Taftahu had a dhamma. It changes in the command to which harakat mahajabin?
Aftahu.
Iftah. The ha
Iftahu.
is
Sorry, yeah. Zair. Iftahu. Iftaha.
no,
Iftah.
mahajabin.
Yeah.
In the command, the singular verb of the command takes a sukoon, a jazm. Can you see a sukoon?
Yeah.
Ha.
Yeah.
Iftah. From taftahu,
Iftah.
iftah. And then after that,
Iftah.
conjugate. Conjugate means read all of the rest of them. Bismillah. Iftah.
Iftah. If.
Taha.
Iftaha.
Iftahu.
Iftahu.
Iftahi.
Iftah.
He.
Iftahi.
Iftahi. Iftaha.
Iftaha.
Iftahna.
Iftahana.
Yeah. So you will see how many iftahas are coming. So when you're talking to 2 people, you're commanding to open iftaha for the boys and iftaha for the females. Are they the same? This
I
iftaha,
didn't.
this iftaha,
Iftaha,
and iftaha on top. Both of them are the same.
same.
Yeah. So this is something you need to be familiar with, that the boys plural dual and the females dual is the same when you're commanding. But the plural for the boys, how do you say you all boys are opening? We'll say iftahu.
Iftaha, iftahu.
And plural female is what?
For the female, we have to put ta.
Now, look at the command. You add a noon. Iftahna. Look at the noon. Rajibi?
Iftahana. Yeah, iftahana.
Yeah. So iftahna. So iftah, repeat it again with me. Iftah,
Iftah,
iftaha,
iftaha,
iftahu.
iftahu,
Can you see which column I'm
iftaha.
speaking? Can you see the columns which I'm talking about? This one here, yes? Can you see on the
No,
screen as well? Are you able to see the screen?
yes, Aga.
Okay, that's right. Iftah, iftaha,
Iftaha,
iftah,
iftaha, iftahu,
iftahi.
iftahi,
Yep.
iftaha,
Hmm.
iftahana.
Iftahna. Excellent. Is this
Yeah.
clear for you now?
Yes, now it's clear.
So in the plural, you have the alif waw in the plural command, but in the plural feminine command, you have the noon remains, which is already in the present tense. So you all females are open istaftahna, and the command will be if.
Iftahna.
Excellent, perfect. You got it. You got it. Excellent. I'm gonna ask next one, Zaira. Assalamu alaikum, Zaira.
Walaikum salam.
Alaikum salam. Right. I'm going to do something. Oh, well, shall I do this? I want you to do this actually. I want you to do this one here. So in this one here now, let's first of all read this. Nasara yansuru tansuru, tansurani, tansuruna, nasara yansuru, and this is a present tense of the verb, which means what does it say? Help. So it should say he hasn't got it. Okay, nasara yansuru means help. Okay. Nasara yansur means help. So in this verb now, what are you seeing? What harakat does the swad have of this nasara? The three-letter verb nasara and tansuru. What harakat does the swad have here?
A dhamma.
Excellent. It has a dhamma. So can you read the first of the present tense, tansuru and tansurani, please, and translate for everyone?
Tansuru, tansurani, tansuruna, tansurina, tansurani, and tansuruna. Is it
That's it. That's
he
it.
help?
That's right. So now, what I want you to do now is this. Is basically what I need you to do is let's go through the steps of making the command. So in this one here, there's one slight change, which I expect you've recognized it already. Let's do the first step. So in first step number one is to remove all the tas. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you remove all the tas of tansuru, tansurane, tansuruna. And then once we remove it, in step number two, what do we need to do? Bring hamzatul wasl.
Hamzatul was.
So once we bring the alif in the beginning, in step three is we need to give a harakat to this alif. So in this one here, when we go to the second letter of the verb, which is a sad, what harakat does it have here now?
Wait, which letter?
The sad, the second radical, which is the sad. Nasara yansuru tansuru. So sad has a
Dhamma.
excellent. Yeah, say it with confidence. It has a dhamma. Okay, it has a dhamma. Excellent. So now we have a dhamma. Before, like you said, like Fadak and Mahjabin have done, they did one with a fatha, one with a kasra. Now we have a dhamma. So what harakat now the hamzatul wasl will be given?
A dhamma.
Excellent. So remember this, whenever the middle letter of a three-letter verb has a dhamma, The alif in the beginning of Hamzat Wasl, which comes in the command, will have a
Dhamma.
excellent. And then in step number 4, what do we do in step number 4? We remove the last letter, harakat of the last letter or the letters. So what's happening to in Tansuru? What are we removing?
The Dhamma on the Ra.
Yep, and it becomes.
A Sukun.
And what is the command then?
Unsur.
Yep. And continue, please. Conjugate the rest of them.
Okay. Unsur, Unsura, Unsuru, Unsurua, Unsuri, Unsura, Unsurna.
Excellent, excellent. Now, do you remember this? You may know this. There's a dua of Imam Zamana, where we say, Ilahi adum al-bala wa barih al-khafa. Does anyone know? We say, in that dua, we say, unsurani, unsurani, fa innakuma kafiyani. Who remembers this dua? Dua Faraj. Ya Muhammadu ya Ali. Ya Aliyu ya Muhammad ikfiyani fa innakuma kafiyani wansurani. Sister Azrai, Sister Sajda.
Yeah, we are here. We are
Yes.
here.
You remember this dua which we read?
Yes.
So remember this, when we say unsura, unsurani, it's the tujul referring to Mawla Ali and Rasulullah. Unsurani meaning you help me. Fa inna kuma kafiyani. You both are sufficient for you, Mawla. If Mawla Ali and Rasulullah is at our help, we have the best of helpers. So this here, unsurani, it's the command in Dua Faraj. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the reason why it's unsura. I'll send this dua in the book, in the group, inshallah, after class, so that you can apply it. So I'm gonna give Zaira, I'm gonna give you another verb. Just give me 1 second. Just because there's a new verb, I want to utilize you to be able to practice this for the rest of the class. So it becomes, and inshallah, I'll bring it the rest of the class as well. Give me 1 second. Let me just bring the verb table onto the screen. Mm -mm. Right, can you see the screen? So this verb here, this one you
Yeah.
have highlighted. So dakhala means he entered. Dakhala means he entered. Now, when you make the command of this, let me just write this out for you so that it helps you. Just give me 1 second. The present tense for it is
يدخل.
that is correct. Give me 1 second. I just need to put the harakat on there so that it becomes easier for you. Give me 1 second. So it's tadkhulu. So tadkhulu, I'm just going to send it in the Zoom group. What will be the command for this? Zara, what do you think? I'm going to just send it like. So Dakhala yadkhulu tadkhulu. So what will be the command? So I'll bring the other sheet back on. So dakhala. So this became tansuru, became unsur. So dakhala tadkhulu will become
ادخل
dhamma. Put alif on, put the dhamma on the alif. Ud.
ادخل
Excellent. Udkhul. And conjugate the rest. Udkhul.
ادخل
Ula.
ادخلوا
Excellent.
ادخليا
Khuli.
ادخلي
Yeah.
ادخلا
Yep.
and ادخلنا.
Excellent. Say it once more so that you don't say udkhuliya. Udkhul.
ادخل ادخلا ادخلوا
Udkhulu.
ادخلي
Udkhulu. Sorry. Udkhul. Udkhula. Udkhulu.
أو ادخل ادخلا ادخلوا ادخلي ادخلا and ادخلنا.
Udkhulna. Excellent. Excellent. That's brilliant. Thank you ever so much for that. I'm going to ask next one to come on the mic is Sister Sajda. Sister Sajda, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam. Sister Sajda, I'm going to give you the verb kataba, the same verb. And now I'm going to give you the verb. I'm just writing it out for you.
Okay.
Kataba, and the present tense is taktubu. Taktubu. So what will be the command for it? I've just wrote it in the actual WhatsApp group. I'm just going to post it into the Zoom chat box.
Mm-hmm.
So what will be the
Uktubu.
command?
Uktub.
Excellent. Uktub.
Uktub.
Excellent. What's the next one? Like unsur. Unsura. Uktub. Uktub.
Uktuba.
Excellent.
Uktubu.
Bu. Excellent.
Uktubi.
Excellent. MashaAllah.
Uktuba.
Excellent.
Uktubna.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Excellent. For being a first time student and doing it so well. MashaAllah. Excellent. Uktub. Uktuba. Uktubu. Uktubi. Uktuba. Uktubna. So whenever someone says uktub, means write is a command. So you say it once more, and then inshallah I will ask someone else. Bismillah. Uktub.
Uktub. Uktuba. Uktubu. Uktubi.
Yep.
Uktubu. Uktuba. Uktubna.
Uktubna. Afarin. How do you find that?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, excellent. I'm not going to teach you any other lesson. I just want to practice you because you're so crucial in the Quran. And inshallah, next session I'll go through the present, past, and the commands with you, and so that you become much more familiar, and you'll be surprised how much of these verbs you're able to understand. Excellent. Thank you. Let's bring Sister Azra Sharif.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Sister Azra Sharif, I'm going to give you the verb kharaja. Kharaja, what will be the present tense?
Takhruju.
Yakhruju.
Yakhruju.
Yeah. So I'm just writing the verb out for you, and I'll send all of these verbs, which I've actually just sent in the group as well. So takhruju, what will be the command for this?
Ukhruj.
Excellent.
Ukhruj. Ukhruja. Ukhruju. Ukhruji. Ukhruja. Ukhrujna.
MashaAllah. What made you so quick and confident?
Well, you left the hint on the screen.
I had to leave the hint for the screen because otherwise it wouldn't be fair.
Yeah, we'd be struggling.
Excellent. That was perfect. Can you explain how would you say to a female, leave?
Ukhruji.
And for a boy?
Ukhruj.
And if it's for all females,
أخرجنا.
and you all and if it's 2 boys or 2 females,
أخرجا.
ukhruja. MashaAllah. Excellent. Thank you very much. Can you choose another student to come on the mic?
I think you choose.
Okay. Yeah, it's quite difficult for me as well. Let's bring Sister Nargis. And then I'll bring Zara Jafar after that.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. So the verb which I'm going to give you is I don't want to give it too difficult. Okay. The Dhamma ones are quite difficult because there's not a lot of verbs in the Arabic language with a Dhamma, so I'm just thinking. Yes. The verb which I'm going to give you is darasa. Darasa. What does darasa mean? He studied. Yeah, darasa, he studied. And yadrusu is the present tense. Yadrusu. And tadrusu is you are studying. So make the command of tadrusu.
تدرس. Okay. أخرس.
Udrus.
أدرس. Sorry.
No, the
أدرس.
udrus.
أدرس.
Yep. Let me change.
أدرسا.
Udrusa, correct.
أدرسي.
Excellent.
أدرسا.
Excellent.
أدرسنا.
Udrusna. Udrus, udrusa, udrusu, udrusi, udrusa, udrusna. Afarin. Excellent. Sister Zara Jafar. Jazakallah. Thank you. Zara Jafar.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum salam. I'm going to give you the verb. Which one should I give you? The word, I'll show you on the screen. I'll give you this one here. So, qaruba, qaf, the word qarib, it comes from the root word qarib, qaruba, and the present tense is qaruba, yaq. Actually, let me change it. Let me give you another easy one. Okay, I'm going to give you this one here instead. Qatala, qatala, yaqtulu. Qatala, yaqtulu. So the ya is for he. Anta is taqtulu. So taqtulu, change that to command. So qatala will become, like tansuru became unsur. Qatala, taqtulu will become
أقتله.
no, dhamma, alif. Put a alif, dhamma on the alif.
أقتل.
Excellent. Uqtul. And then after that?
أقتله.
Excellent. After that?
أقتلوا.
MashaAllah. Next.
أقتلي.
Excellent.
أقتلا.
Excellent. Next one. Uqtul.
أقتلنا.
Uqtulna. Say it once more.
أقتل. أقتلا.
Tulu.
أقتلا.
Uqtul.
أقتلوا.
Uqtula. Uqtulu. And then uqtuli.
أقتلا.
Uqtula.
أقتلنا.
Uqtula.
أقتل.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Good girl. Next one I'm going to ask is going to be the 3 sisters, Asiya, Hajra, and Sarah. Whoever is the oldest or the youngest, I don't mind. Whoever wants to come forward.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Who's coming first?
I'm coming first.
Who's this? Sarah or Hajra? Okay, Hajra. So the Hajra, I want you to the verb, this one here. Sajada.
Okay.
Sajada. This one here. Sajada.
Okay.
Present tense is yasjudu. Yasjudu. He is prostrating and you are prostrating is tasjudu. And the command will be what? Nasara yansur became unsur. Tasjudu command will become.
Can you please write for me the like?
Yeah, that's fine. Give me 1 second. Let me just log in. Give me 1 second. I've been generous and I wrote it without the harakat. You tell me the harakat. Tasjudu will become what?
Usjud.
Ahsanti. Conjugate the rest of them. Usjud.
Usjud. Usjuda.
MashaAllah.
Judu. And
Us.
then
The ya.
usjudu.
Yep.
And then
Usjudi.
usjudi. Usjuda.
Yep.
And
Us.
usjudan.
Usjud. And nun
Usjud.
al-fatah. Usjud na. Excellent. Remember, if you want to know the plural feminine, just make the singular. Usjud. Add a nun with the fatah. That's the plural feminine. Usjud na.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the easiest way of remembering it. MashaAllah, very good, Hajra. Hajra, you choose your next sister. Which one you want to bring, Sarah or Asiya?
Asia.
Asiya, come on. Asiya? Yeah, Asiya, are you there? Asiya, she's not answering. Zahra, Sarah, you come. Sarah, are you there? Okay, you're not answering. Let's quiet them then. MM. Who is MM? Your mic is already unmute. MM. Can you come on the mic? MM? Ya Allah. MM. Okay. Not coming? That's fine. Sister Farida, Bismillah, you have another chance here. Sister Farida M and Farida Khalfan. Is it two different people? Sister Farida Khalfan?
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Sister Farida, I would like you to do the verb. You'll be surprised. You read this so many times. Dhakara, dhakar. Can you see this on screen? Right this bottom, right at the bottom.
Dakara, yes.
Yeah. Dhakara means he remembered or he mentioned. Dhakara, present tense is yadhkuru. And the you remember is tadhkuru. Tadhkuru. What will be the command?
The command will be udhkur.
MashaAllah. Udhkur. What after that? Conjugate rest?
Udhkur, udhkura, udhkuru.
Udhkuru.
Udhkuri, udhkura, udhkurna.
Can you see that? Fadhkuruni adhkurkum.
Kurkum, washkuruli.
Ahsanti. See this? So you will see ayat of the Quran. Fadhkuruni. If the fa wasn't there, it would be udhkuruni. Udhkuruni. Who is Allah commanding? You. Udhkuru. This is plural masculine. So the plural masculine refers to the females as well. Udhkuru ni means me. Whenever ni comes, it means me. Udhkuruni. You remember me. It makes sense?
Yes.
Did you know that before? Fadhkuruni?
We have heard several times.
But they didn't realize it was a command of the verb and how to make it, yes?
Yes.
Ahsanti. Excellent. Any question or anything you want to say?
No, thank you so much.
So is it gradually making sense now of some of the ayats which you're familiar with?
Yes.
What I'm going to do as well is that as I finish this session, inshallah, next session I'll bring you the past tense, present, as I said, and you will see to make you more familiar and build your confidence as well, inshallah.
Yeah, mashallah, your method of teaching is really good. And we're getting the gist of it. Thank
Inshallah,
you.
just hang on, and inshallah, I'll give you more. There's much more I would like to offer. Just more. This is just the beginning.
Thank you.
Thank you, sister. Let's bring the other sister, Farida.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, sister. So I'm gonna give this verb nadara.
Yeah.
Nadara
So
means
the
he looked.
he
The
looked,
present
yeah.
tense of this is
Tanzur,
yanzuru.
yanzur.
Asant
So
yanzuru, he is in, and tanzuru, you are
so
looking.
when is yanzuru and when is tanzur? The te and ye. Please
Yeah,
can you make it clear?
yanzuru is for he is looking. You bring the ta when you're talking about the second person. Tanzuru, you are looking. So the command is made from the second person, which is tanzuru, and then the command will be
Okay, say unzur.
excellent. What will be after that?
Unzur. Yeah, after that be unzur.
Unzur,
Unzurna.
and then after that will be let me bring the screen. Unzur.
Unzur.
Yeah, follow
Unzura.
it. Unzura, bring
Unzura.
the alif. Excellent. Then the waw at the end.
Unzuru.
Excellent.
Unzuri.
Yep.
Unzura.
Excellent.
And unzurna.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Excellent. Right, brilliant. Who is going to be next? Who has not had a chance to come on the mic? Who is next? Okay, let's bring Fadak. Fadak, let's bring yourself. Fadak, are you there? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, this one here. The verb shakara. Shakara. It's on the screen. Shakara means he thanked. And the present tense is yashkoro. Yashkoro means he is thanking. And when you're thanking you, second person, you say tashkoro. And the command of tashkoro will be, what will be the command?
Ushkur.
Excellent. Ushkur.
Shall I
Yes, please.
Ushkura.
Excellent. Ushkura.
Ushkuru.
Excellent.
Ushkuri.
Excellent.
Ushkura.
Excellent.
And Ushkurna.
Ushkurna. Afarin. Excellent. MashaAllah. Brilliant. Thank you. Now, I will send this handout in the group so that you can, please, I want everyone to write this down. So this tansuru, unsur, tansurani, unsura, tansuruna, unsura, tansurina, unsuri, tansura, unsura, tansur, and please write this down. I need everyone to write this down so that you don't forget it. Just put an arrow going across that this is the command because I need to move on and do what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to move, I'm going to do next session about exercises, more ayat of the Quran, and then the following session is how to make the negative command. You know, when you say Qul huwallah, we say lam yalid, the word lam. Lam is a particle which changes the meaning from past tense to present tense, and I want to teach you how this works. Lam and lan tarani ya Musa. When lan comes, and when do you say la? How to make the negative command as well. So I want to teach that the following session so that you understand the positive command and how to make the negative command. So when it says in the Quran, لا كلوا واشربوا ولا تسرفوا ولا تسرفوا. How does this come? The word لا تسرفوا. How do we make this? I want to teach you that as well, inshallah. So for this reason, I need you to be really strong and have a better understanding of this. And the only way you learn things and retain it, you have to write it. So I need you to write nasara and daraba and fataha, because all of these three patterns, it has the ruling. So the hamzatul wasl comes either with a fatha or a kasra, or either the hamzatul wasl comes with a dhamma in the example of nasara yansuru. So for this reason, I will send this handout today after the lesson, and I would like you to do this, inshallah. Okay, that's the only thing I'm going to do today, because mashallah, this verb here with a dhamma is the most difficult one, which you have done really well. Fadak, I'm going to give you one more, because you're the last student. And then I'm going to ask iltimas dua from everyone. So this verb here, I'm going to give you this one. Tabaha, tabaha. The present tense is yatbukhu.
يطبخ.
Yeah, yatbukhu means he is cooking. And tatbukhu, ta, twa, baha, tatbukhu means you, one boy, is cooking. So if you want to command someone, how would you say that?
أطبخ.
Excellent. Utbukh. And then after that?
أطبخا.
Utbukha.
أطبخوا.
Excellent. Utbukhu.
أطبخي.
Excellent.
أطبخ.
Kha.
أطبخا.
And then utbukh.
أطبخنا.
Excellent. Utbukhna. Afarin. Excellent. MashaAllah. Thank you ever so much. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Any questions from anyone before we end the session today? Anyone, any questions?
No, thank you.
So please, I'm going to send this out. Please do this because inshallah you will see that things are going to now, your understanding and development is going to increase week by week, because I'll be building upon your basic understanding as well. So please, I need you to do this homeworks, because otherwise you will then become overwhelming for yourself. At the moment, alhamdulillah, everyone has understood, and I want this to remain as it is as well, inshallah. Okay. Okay, Jazakallah khair. Any other questions if there's any questions, ask me the question before I end the session. I will have a lesson next week. And the following week, I think I may not be out. That'll be the 20th, it's going to be 21st. I think the 21st of December, it may be difficult because it's going to be half-term holidays. Do you have holidays in Africa, same as the UK, for summer holiday, Christmas holidays? Summer.
Yes, we do.
When does it start?
Christmas, 25th and 26th.
Only 2 days or 2 weeks from at school?
In school, yes, we have holidays.
How long for? Is it 2 weeks or 1 week?
It's 1 month.
1 month?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 month. It started today.
MashaAllah. So, who said it started today?
Nargis.
Narjis. Okay, Narjis, you didn't come on the mic. So next lesson, Narjis, okay, Jazakallah khair. Everyone who wants to go can go. Narjis, to stay behind. I just want to ask,